hug de India. Hug de India. Shupa pu 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 we, shupa pu 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 we.
Hello guys, welcome to Hug the India. This is where we talk about things that nobody should ever be talking about. And if you are easily offended, please stop listening right now. Right now, abhi band karo bhenchod. So if you guys remember last year, there were these metal monoliths that were being found all over the world, like in different places by magic, and people had no idea where they're coming from, and it was a huge global news story. Yeah, just trying to set some context for what you're about to hear. Hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is something that we brought up yesterday as well, but today we have with us another esteemed gentleman on the panel. So I think that we should bring it up again. There's this weird thing that's happening in the world. All these fucking metal monoliths that are appearing all over the world in different cities in every time. You've heard about this, right?
So like two appeared in US, one in Europe, and the fourth one has also appeared. I don't know about the fourth one.
Oh, there's many more every day. There's one new one. Kabhi Poland mein hai, kabhi kahin par hai.
Right. And they have also been disappearing after a while, right? That's been happening, right?
Yeah. So, what's your theory? Like, what do you think? Where are these coming from?
I don't know. I mean, I'd have to rattle my brains to think about that. What do you think?
So, what I was sharing with him yesterday is that to me it seems like maybe it's some kind of viral marketing campaign. Like by Apple or something. There's a new Apple obelisk that is going to be released or something.
Yeah.
And it's shaped exactly like that metal monolith. And Apple is just doing this to have record sales whenever it comes out. That's just one possible explanation.
Or it's a new age vibrator. Promotions for new age vibrators. Looks very futuristic.
Yeah, but how would that work? Like Hagrid would probably use Bharat, but I can't really.
You would rub your pussy on the edges, no? That you could do with it, right? And if it vibrates along with that, that'd be
then,
so.
Yeah, 20 pussies can get
exactly efficiency and quality at the same time. That's the best product marketing you could do with anything. But first of all, you got to start rubbing your pussy is what's missing right now.
Yeah. Sometimes you just got to start rubbing your pussy.
Sometimes you just got to start.
That's what it's all about. Yeah. So my good friend told me that it's the work of some pranksters or something.
Yeah, that's what I read.
Read where?
On the news somewhere that there are a group of pranksters.
Is this like your medical literature?
It is. This is something that I'm absolutely sure about. That's why it's like my medical literature. Okay. I read it जहाँ पे भी वहाँ पे अच्छे से लिखा था that
on the
प्यार से
on the wall of a bathroom stall in feces.
नीचे नंबर भी था.
What else could it be if you are actually trying to think about
it? It wasn't even visible. इसने torch लगाया और सीमेंट से लिखा हुआ था बेंचों.
But like logic from absurdity.
I don't know what dreams you've been having these days, but okay.
पर माने prank है तूने पढ़ा तो has anybody come out and said that it's a prank?
Yeah.
It's an assumption till now, right?
Not the first one, not the first place where it was put in or whatever. जो लास वेगस या कहीं पे जो मिला था
एक बेसिकली तेरे को पता है कि एक प्रैंक
प्रैंकस्टर्स के ग्रुप
चार में से एक मिला है एक प्रैंक था तो बाकी तीन क्या गांड मारा है.
That's the most convincing theory that I read about
one of them. No,
yeah, about one
three other. One was found in Europe.
I just imagine कि भाई किसी ने ऐसा किया सब लोगों को बहुत मजे आए तो बाकी लोग भी करने लगे.
लेकिन पहला नहीं था ना लास वेगस वाला. पहला लास वेगस में था नवाडा डेजर्ट.
नहीं अच्छा हाँ तो वही था फिर वही प्रैंकस्टर्स वाला था आई गेस.
तो all of these are exactly the same, right?
Yeah.
No, not really.
They have different designs?
They look different when you look at their pictures.
Why have you been looking at their
pictures from different angles?
You like the phallus.
Yeah. That's exactly when I put mustard oil on my dicky.
Nobody should ever allow you to
heavy.
Eiffel Tower.
How many pussies do you think you could rub on Eiffel Tower?
Me 0 because for various reasons.
No, but like hypothetically, how many pussies could you know, side by side if you saved space?
I can rub 2 if both of you go along with me.
Good one. Good one.
Fucking misogynist. I was talking to myself.
We know.
Yeah.
Is that the music?
The background theme, background.
We don't need to hire anybody to do this. Okay, end of segment. Beautiful. I really liked it. Yeah.
तेरी माँ का भोलापन
वाह 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 वाह
तेरी बहन की चूड़ियाँ
वाह 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 वाह
तेरे बाप का लंदन में है बीजेनी
This next segment was recorded in the winter of 2020 and will illustrate how stupid your podcasters are. So man, all these guys who in this pandemic are like the people who you call anti-maskers these days. What are your feelings about that? And if you were, just before you respond, if you were in the US, and would you be one of these anti-maskers or would you be one of the people shaming them on the internet? Because there's only two kinds of people. We all know that. So please continue.
I think if I was in the US, it would have been easier for me to be an anti-masker. Like I am even an anti-masker where I am. क्योंकि भाई मतलब इतने महीने हो गए अब तो like it's been a lot of months since coronavirus first knocked our ways and it's been a lot of months till now. Everybody knows by now if you gotta have it, you just gonna have it. Like there isn't any question about it. You can't protect yourself. कोई भी rational आदमी भी anti-masker अभी की terminology में as of what is this दिसंबर 2020 में या फिर सितंबर 2020 में एंटी-मास्कर उन लोगों को बोला जा रहा होगा जो रिपब्लिकन होंगे या लोगों को लगता है चूतिए हैं कि हाँ हम नहीं मास्क पहन बट अब तुम्हें समझ में आ रहा है कि भाई ये लॉजिकल है
क्या लॉजिकल है
मास्क पहन के क्या उखड़ रहा है क्या हो जाएगा मास्क पहन के क्या मास्क पहन के पेशेंट्स कम होने वाले हैं अभी कल तो मैंने न्यूज़ पढ़ी कि देयर इज सम न्यू फकिंग वायरस इन ब्रिटेन डू यू नो अबाउट इट
It's another strain of
the new fucking coronavirus and it's been affecting 70% more people than the original coronavirus was. You're more likely to get affected with it, you're more likely to get whatever symptoms because of it. So there's no fucking use to wearing a mask or not wearing a mask. So.
Another drink for Nemish, please. But while you enjoy that, sir, I just want to... The reason you wear the mask is so that if you have coronavirus, you don't spread it to other people,
Do
right?
you care? Do you actually, can you put a hand to your heart and say that you really care about a random guy walking across the street and not spreading coronavirus?
No. I don't care about the random guy.
Yeah.
But there are people I care about not spreading it to.
Yeah, so around them.
Because I'm not taking precautions. I went traveling with you a few months ago.
You won't go around them. That's what if you're so considerate about taking care of them, you won't go around them. Simple as that.
But what if they need you to be around them or you need to be around
You
them?
wear a mask. Simple.
And everyone else doesn't.
Yeah.
So the rest of the population who doesn't have people who they love, all of them should kill each other with coronavirus.
Yeah, but everybody has like at least 7 to 10 people who they really care about. At least 7. Let's say 5.
Yeah, 5.
Everybody at least have 5 people.
Stretching it, but 5.
Yeah, including family. You have at least family. What you don't really care about your fucking grandparents and cousins and fuck them. You care about your mother and
My
your
grandparents are dead. It's okay.
Yeah, well, they're same. Mother, father, sister, brother if you have any. Mother, father if you have any.
Sometimes not even
Sometimes you don't even have a mother.
Not in our case.
Yeah,
but,
not in our case.
Yeah.
I love my mother and my mommy. But yeah, whatever.
Why did you say mother and my mummy and not mother and my father? Is this okay? Cool. Never mind.
Mommy, daddy.
Yeah.
That's
You,
what I
again,
mean.
you said mummy twice. by
Mummy,
the way.
daddy.
Then you said mummy, daddy. You actually said mummy 3 times. I just want to let you know that at this.
Daddy,
Oedipus. You do want to stress on the first syllable. Oedipus.
Sir, another idea that I had very recently.
Yeah.
So I don't want to give too much away of my personal life, but I was in Ladakh recently,
Okay.
living with another man, a friend who I
Yeah.
was traveling with.
Yeah.
Stop looking at me like that.
Yeah.
And after that, I realized because we're like sharing the same room
Yeah.
and the same bathroom.
Yeah.
And we were in Ladakh in December and
Yeah.
used to get like really cold, so it was always really quiet. Really quiet. So stop looking, that's not what I mean.
I don't know what Brokeback
Yeah.
Mountain shit is about to happen.
No. So I realized
Yeah.
that if I take a dump
Yeah.
in the bathroom,
In the
at
bathroom,
any
okay.
time in the morning
Yeah.
or in the night,
Yeah.
when my friend, is still in the room,
Yeah.
it gets really uncomfortable,
Yeah.
because you're sitting and he knows exactly what's
Yeah.
going on with you. It's like "Bloop,"
Yeah.
Bloop.
Yeah. Yeah.
and all these sounds,
Yeah.
and so he knows exactly what's going on.
Yeah.
And in your mind, you're just thinking that, oh, this person must think
Yeah.
I'm so disgusting. All this, how
Yeah.
much shit is coming out of me and all.
Yeah.
I know it's perfectly natural, but it can get very weird.
Yeah.
And here, though, I was with a friend. What if you were having like a business meeting or
I have a
something
tip
like
for
that?
you, but I'll let you complete.
Okay. Yes, I'm waiting for that, sir.
Oh,
So,
okay.
what if you're having a business meeting
Yeah.
or something like that, and the bathroom is very close to the conference hall?
Yeah.
And what say, like, let's say I'm the owner of a company, and I'm
Yeah.
saying, all right, sales must go up 32.5%
Plop.
in the next quarter. And oh, sorry, I'll just be back in 5 minutes. And then, exactly, plop.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah.
And all these sounds are coming out.
Okay.
And then you come out.
Yeah.
Now, how can you continue? You've
So,
lost the.
I have a suggestion for you.
Yeah.
So it could be if you're with a friend, like you mentioned you were,
Hmm.
then you could just play a song like on full volume inside the washroom, and because most washrooms don't really have a lot of furniture around, so it becomes like a surround sound thing, and the volume is really up high, so the friend wouldn't listen to the plop plop. That's what I've.
But, sir, like I've been struggling with this problem also since I was a child, and I think it becomes very obvious
Yeah.
that oh, you went and you switched on a song for
Yeah.
25 seconds,
Yeah.
and now you don't want to listen to the song anymore.
Listen to the
one more this thing idea that came to my mind was like what I do very often
Yeah.
is that I open the tap, so the sound of the water rushing,
Yeah.
it covers it.
Yeah.
But also you feel like a terrible person because it's not great for the environment and all, no? Like so many people in Africa don't have running water. And
Okay.
So
Okay.
what I was thinking of is how to find some way
Yeah.
that can solve this problem.
You could have a real loud conversation with the person who's outside. That's one way.
Oh.
Like, और भाई क्या आज का दिन कैसा रहा? And back. And all this while you could be having a real loud conversation with them.
But what if it's like a really intense dump that you're taking? Then you'll sort of, for want of better word, betray your emotions.
Oh, yeah.
और भाई आज का दिन कैसा रहा? What happens in because you know there are those shits
Yeah, I know.
that do that to you.
Yeah.
So how do we solve this? Clearly, like in India, I'm sorry to bring up this social impact topic here,
Yeah.
but in India, like we don't even have toilets for everyone.
Yeah.
So soundproofing toilets and all that is too much.
It's out of the question.
Too
obviously.
expensive.
Yeah.
So, what I was wondering what to do. One of the ideas that I was having is ass vacuum.
Okay.
Basically, it's like a little thing
Yeah.
that. So you know, at the back of the toilet, very often where there is the
Yeah.
hygiene spray when the handle isn't there,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Exactly where that spray is,
Yeah.
instead of pushing out water,
Yeah.
it will suck in air. So you just position
Okay.
your butthole next to that,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah. And your ass cheeks and your fucking butt hair will also be. They won't really get vacuumed inside, but there'll be some pressure on them.
yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's a small price to pay for.
But this is a
Still not a perfect solution.
this is a very delicate plumbing problem that you're talking about. So it will be a whole plumber's work to make washrooms across a residential area or across a city where every washroom is like equipped with something which is sucking air inside.
Yeah.
So I think this is impractical in a way.
I think you aren't really buying into my vision, but yeah, I agree with you. Can you think of some other ways that maybe we could solve this?
You could probably sensitize the person you're with before going to the washroom. Like, I've been having real bad diarrhea, so just bear with me while I'm in there.
Okay.
And yeah, like a little pep talk.
Yeah, and sometimes it's good news. It's like they're asleep, okay,
Yeah.
and you have to go take a dump. So you shake them awake, okay, and you tell them, "Hey, my stomach feels great today, and I'm only gonna take a 10-second shit. All you're going to hear is 2, maximum 3 plops, and then we are done."
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's another.
But I
solution
think
to this.
hoping that people become sensitized is a much more irrational explanation,
Yeah.
this thing, than the vacuum plumbing.
I
Because we
agree.
can change machinery, but we can't change people. Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
I agree.
If you enjoyed that, please like the video so that YouTube recommends it to more people like you. Please share it with your harami friends who you think will enjoy it. And please do subscribe. Subscribe maar do na yaar. It's there's going to be a new episode every week. This will also be up on Spotify for people who want to listen to it just on audio. See you guys next week.
तेरी माँ का भोलापन,
वाह 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 वाह
तेरी बहन की चूड़ियाँ,
वाह 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 वाह
तेरे बाप का लंदन में है बीजेनी।
वाह वाह वाह